Hey guys, Kaylee Fab here, and today we are going to do the unboxing of Boxycharm Premium, which is the Fenty Beauty box. I'm sure you guys all already know that. And then, if I can get it up, the Boxy Luxe, which is pretty big. I want to preface this video by saying I was quite disappointed in Boxycharm as a whole this month. So first of all, my Boxy Luxe came with like 2 pieces of cardboard to like protect the products, which clearly that didn't protect the products at all. Also, the products that I got are like mediocre at best. I mean, I didn't even get to pick the palette. I wanted the Tarte Remix Pro or Tarte Pro Remix palette, and I didn't even get an option to pick that. So I was quite disappointed this month. And the fact that the Fenty Beauty, like all the different colors, like, come on, give us some colors that we're actually gonna wear. Give us some everyday colors, not freaking orange and purple. Okay, so I think I'm gonna give Boxycharm one more month because I'm really getting disappointed in their items, like severely disappointed in them, and I think I'm gonna give them one more month. So I get Boxy Premium and I get Boxycharm and like Boxy Luxe. So literally I'm gonna give them April, and then if I'm not happy with April, I'm probably gonna cancel the Boxycharm and Luxe. I don't know how the premium's gonna be. I've been loving the premium boxes, so we'll see. But let's go through the Boxy Luxe first. So first of all, I like that they changed the shape of the box, but let's just go through it. I just want to show you kind of why I'm so disappointed. So first of all, I got another hair product. Why? Why Boxycharm? I've had 3 curlers, 2 straighteners, and 1 blow dryer. Really? Like, do I really need that many travel items? So I have a pile over there. I'm gonna sell all these on Mercari. It is silly for me to keep them. I did keep 1 straightener, 1 curler, and the blow dryer for when I do travel, but I don't need 6 of these. Come on. They should look at what they previously sent us and stop. So this one was the pastel yellow color, and it is from Sutra Beauty, which I don't know what the other brands are from, but I am gonna put this on my Mercari for sale. So if you guys are interested, check that. It is linked down below. How disappointing though. That one originally cost $50, so I will be putting that obviously for cheaper. Okay, this is like the one item that I was kind of interested in, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I do have my one from Duval, this spin brush, and I love that one, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I don't know that it's something that I want to use. Yeah, I don't, that's just a little silicone-y thing there, and I mean, I don't know. Okay, I think I've made up my mind. I think I'm gonna sell this as well. I don't know that I would ever actually use that, and it's silly for me to keep all of these items when I'm literally never gonna use them. So once again, another higher price item that I'm going to be selling. So this, what is it? PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device, $99. Seriously? Like, there's no way I would pay $99 for that. So once again, I will put this on my Mercari if you guys are interested in it, for less than that, obviously. I wish you guys could tell me when I have lipstick on my teeth. Sorry if it was there when I was talking. Okay, and then we got this little duo of the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream, which by the way, these packages look dirty, which I'm gonna have to clean, which is really kind of upsetting. I don't love these. I'm gonna keep them around, and I know a girlfriend that really likes these, so I'll see if she got Boxycharm as well, and maybe we can swap them for something. I don't know. I don't need those in my life. The 2 duos of those cost $15, so I don't know if that's $15 each or together, but I'll probably see if she wants to trade them for something. And then something I did kind of appreciate, but it's kind of sad that it's like so cheap and it's in a Boxycharm. It's the Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring Original, and this is the clear type packaging. So this one I'm definitely going to be keeping. I do use this as my hair tie, so I'm not disappointed in this, but it does only retail for like $8. Yeah, it says $8 on there, so I'm happy to have it, but really I paid how much for this? Like $50, and I got an $8 item. Like, I don't know. Okay, and then we got something from Appeal. This is the gel liner in Chic, and I don't know if this is a lip liner or a eyeliner. So it's onto lips or eyes, so I guess you could use this on each. I would probably use this as a lip liner. Look at that color. It's actually a really pretty color, and I don't think I have one quite this color, so I might keep this and test it out. We'll see. It is retailing for $21, so once again, I would never pay $21 for a lip liner. Okay, and then I got a Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Warm Leatherette, which I did open it to see what shade it was, and seriously, it's freaking purple. Like, come on, Boxycharm, come on, purple? Like, I'm never gonna wear this. I'm not even gonna open it up to swatch it or anything. I am just gonna put this on my Mercari site to sell. Like, you guys, how disappointing this month for me. Like, truly, truly disappointing. So I am gonna put this on my Mercari site. This Nars is $25. Then I actually got something I know I like. This is from Elizabeth Mott. This is the Show Me Your Cheeks blush. This is the limited edition design, so I'm kind of excited to open it. And it's in the shade Soft Pink right there, and that is what the packaging looks like. I love these blushes. Like, probably one of my top 5 blushes that I own. I do own this shade already in a full size, but I think I might keep this one because it is like, that is like the perfect pink nude for me. I could wear this year round, and this one is like a type of formula that it looks good no matter what. So I really do love these, and the original packaging is just all black, so you can't see through it. So I am kind of excited to have this, and I probably am gonna keep it in my arsenal of blushes. Like I said, I know I have a duo of it already, but that's okay. Also, this blush retails for $23. Sorry, my eyes are a little watery. I think I got some shadow in my eyes, so they're like watering. The final thing I got in this Boxycharm box is their own made palette. I don't know that I'm super excited about it. This is made in Taiwan. The first thing in here is mica, which I know mica is not great, I think. Is it mica or talc? Maybe it's talc I'm thinking of. But, I mean, it looks super cute. I don't know. People have swatched it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it right now. There is like 2, 3 like goldeny yellow colors, which you guys know I'm totally sick of these types of colors. I haven't made a decision yet on this one. I might sell it. I might keep it. It does say cruelty free. I don't know that I'm ever gonna reach for this one over something else like the Riviera palette, which some of these like blues and pinks and purples are very similar in the Riviera palette, and I know I would reach for those, but I do like the names of these shades. I'm gonna read them for you real quick. Boxy, Charmer, Full Size, Exclusive, Spoiler, Luxe, Unboxing, Sneak Peek, Premium, Swipe Up, Pop Up, and Cup of Joe. I love the names that they picked for this. But like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or sell it. I don't know. So that Boxycharm palette retails for $39, which that's actually a very fair price, I feel like, because of the size of the pans, and I don't know. It is made in Taiwan, so it's not made in China, which is good. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, so I will put the total amount here, but that was everything that I got in my Boxy Luxe. Now let's look at Boxy Premium, which I already know that there are definitely things in here that I am going to be putting on my Mercari site. There is so much extra packaging in this box. Like, this is just at the bottom of the box, just to make it look bigger. I mean, it's cool. It's really cool, but like, Really? Do we need all the extra packaging? Okay, so the first thing, I'm gonna go through the ones that I'm gonna be keeping first, and then I will let you guys know the ones I'm going to be selling. So I am going to be keeping these Invisimatte blotting papers. I don't have any in my arsenal right now, and I've actually a couple times been like, oh man, I wish I had those. So it is nicely packaged. You do have to put it in there yourself. So I'm gonna keep it in the box until I actually need it, but these I will be keeping. And those blotting papers retail for $16. Then something else I'm definitely gonna be keeping is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer, and this one's in the shade Diamond Milk. And I'm definitely keeping this one. This was the thing I was most excited about. It is like that white sparkly one. I'm really excited about this. I also want the clear one, but I don't need any more lip glosses right now, so definitely gonna be keeping this one. And this retails for $19. Then another thing I've looked at, because I looked at all the shades just to see what I would keep and what I would sell, I'm going to be keeping the lipstick. It is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade PMS, which, what a fitting color. It is just a brown shade, so I do kind of love this packaging. I think it's very luxe looking, and I did swatch this already to make sure that it is going to be a color that I like. And like I said, it is just a brown shade. It does have a little bit of a like brick undertone to it, but I think it's really, really pretty and I can definitely work with it. I love shades like that, so, and they tend to look pretty decent with my skin tone, so I think I can definitely work with that. Something else to add to my inventory. Okay, and the final thing that I'm gonna be keeping for now, and I say for now because I'm not exactly sure that I'm going to be keeping this forever, but I do want to test it out because I have not tried the formula. It is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, and it does come with this packaging. It gives you all the colors on the back. It is a very neutral toned palette, but I think I can definitely work with a lot of these shades. I mean, the packaging is beautiful. Like, let's just say that right off the bat. That is beautiful packaging. And I don't mind how flat it is. Like, it's super, super thin. But I don't know. I feel like there is a lot of wasted space in here. And a lot of these like brown tones are very, very similar, as well as some of these lighter tones. I don't know. And there is a good mix of cool and warm in here. There's a good mix of neutrals, shimmers, mattes, satin. So I am going to keep this for now. I do want to test it out and see how it is. Also, the mirror in it is like gorgeous. It's such a good mirror. So yeah, I'm going to keep this for now and test it out. If I don't end up liking it, I'll probably try to sell it. I always sanitize my stuff and clean my stuff before I sell it, by the way, if it's like a palette, something that can be sold. So there's that. Okay, something I know 100% for sure I am selling is the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter, and this one's in the shade Trophy Wife, that super, super yellow toned highlighter that nobody will literally ever be able to use unless your skin is like that beautiful, rich, chocolatey brown. Then you could definitely use it, but me, I will literally never wear this. And not to mention, I will never wear this as an eyeshadow because I don't like these types of colors. So this is actually my first time opening it to look at it. And I mean, it is gorgeous. It is really, really pretty. But I will never wear something like this. So it's kind of sad, but I mean, I love the packaging too. The packaging is gorgeous. There is the back there. So this will definitely be on my site to sell, you know. There's that. Oh, the lipstick cost $18. The Moroccan Spice Shadow Palette was $29, which I know it's on sale right now. I think for like $21, something like that, maybe $16. And then this highlighter is $36. Obviously, the things that I'm selling, I won't sell for full price. Okay, and the last thing I got is the Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick, and it is $25 retail price, and I got the shade Chili Mango. Seriously? Really? Orange? I don't know. I do want to swatch it and test it out, so if I do sell it, I'll sell it sanitized and cleaned. I mean, it is freaking orange. Like, but I don't know if I could use this as a cream blush. Oh, there's really not a lot of product in here. Wow, that's like nothing. You know what? I don't even think I'm gonna swatch it. I think that'd be silly to swatch and ruin. So I do think I'm gonna sell this completely brand new and untouched. I won't use it. I mean, as much as I want to swatch it and see it, that's just the silliest thing ever. So this retails for $25 and I am gonna be selling that. So selling 2 out of the, what was there? 6 items, which I feel like that's a really bad average. Like, so I'm paying for 4 of them for $25, which I wouldn't really necessarily have bought any of those except for the Gloss Bomb. So once again, Boxycharm has kind of disappointed me, to be totally honest, and this is why I'm not sure that I'm going to be keeping them. Yeah, I'm not super happy with them. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it was a little it was a little sassy and a little annoying probably for some of you, but honestly, I don't know. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video anyways. I know I was a bit sassy in it and a bit like judgy and whatever, but I feel like we have to start doing that, right? Like, I'm getting sent so many items. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items here from 2 different boxes that are gonna be sold. Like, is it really worth it to spend the money and get it? I don't know anymore. I really don't. I do think I'm gonna really think about this box and see if this is something that I want to continue in the future or if it's something I just want to get rid of, because it's a lot of extra in my life that I don't necessarily need, and I have everything that they keep sending me. So I mean, how many more black eyeliners can I have? How many more lotions can I have? Like, I'm just kind of over it. So anyways, I will let you guys know next month for sure if I will be canceling or not based on what I get. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.